Hello my bonsai friends! I made a new update of my new Dwarf Pomegranate seedlings. As you can see, after about 4 months from the last video, the seedlings have grown quite a bit, and some already have the first flowers from which the fruit will be born. Throughout this period, I watered the plants carefully, avoiding excess water. I removed the weeds that could disturb the growth of the plants, and I put them in the shade during the hottest hours of the summer. Now, after a not too cold autumn, the plants are preparing for winter. Since the plants are small and delicate, I will put the pot in the greenhouse to protect them from any frost that could cause the seedlings to die. In the spring period, I will put each seedling in a small pot and then decide what to do with them. One idea would be to make a multi-trunk bonsai called kabudachi in Japanese, putting several seedlings together. If you want to watch the previous videos of these plants, in the description you can find the link of the playlist that has been created specifically to observe all the growth stages of this plant, starting from the seed. The video ends here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my channel with your friends and like the video to support me. Thank you. Bye!